Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, September 27th. Time is 5:30 GMT and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So I will do a lower time frame analysis, but I will start in the daily because we reached some important level actually. So if you watch my higher time frame analysis, then you should know like that this corrective move here is already quite some time on my chart, and so this is actually playing out very well. This corrective move here to the downside. The only doubt that I had, I was not really doubting about this move down, but the doubt that I have is like the scenario: is this a wave 4 or are we doing a wave 2? So like the primary scenario is that we go for a wave 2, and then ideally we should reach this area. Doesn't has to happen, like I would already be satisfied with this area. Then I would call, if we reached this area, I would also call it a wave 2. But I also told you in my higher time frame analysis that there might be a chance that this was actually a 3 here, that we are now doing a 4, and that then a 5 should follow to finish a wave 1. So this was like kind of the secondary scenario in my higher time frame analysis. And so now, if this here is a wave 3, then we actually reached some crucial level. Like if we take the length of this wave 3, so suppose this here is the wave 3, neglect the 1 and the 5, then the length of our wave 3, we take it here, the end of wave 2, and then we have our wave 3, and then our wave 4 is supposed to go in the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. And as you can see, now we reached this 0.618 FIB retracement. So in order for this to be a wave 4, we really have to start going up now. There's also the potential to go up actually, because like we have enough swings. We will have a look at the lower time frame in a minute. This looks complete, but that does not mean that we can go lower. It just looks complete, so it has the potential to reverse from here. And if this is a wave 4, it should start going up from here. If not, then this would be another confirmation here of the primary scenario, which is saying that we are doing a wave 2. So therefore, I wanted to start with a higher time frame analysis, or with the daily time frame, just to show you that we reached this crucial level. Now, if we look at the lower time frame, at the 4-hour, like I said, everything is actually here to have a complete correction. So I was saying we were doing a WXY correction. In order to have a WXY, or a complete wave Y, we should take out the wave W. This happened. Or wave W consists of 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. Also here, or wave X consists of 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. And then now also here, this wave Y consists of 3 waves. Now if we count like this as a wave A, then here we have an expanded flat as a wave B, but this is also 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. So valid corrective structure. And so now we clearly have something impulsive here, which can be the wave C. So actually everything is here to have a complete structure. The only thing that yeah, that bothers me is we still do not have any divergence here on the 4 hour. So yeah, this is not really in favor of a reversal from here. So although it is possible that we reverse from here, this, yeah, I don't really like this as a long entry. um I would prefer to wait for this kind of areas here. So the Y area, if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then we are supposed to go here into this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. And if we get there, it would also mean it is not a wave 4 here in the higher degree, but we are doing a wave 2. And yeah, I think that's the essence now. Like, also here, like this wave C, if we look at the 1 hour, like, yeah, this looks like complete. We have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have divergence, but yeah, the problem is we already have divergence for quite some time. I think I'm already saying 2 videos that we have divergence, and it is true. But we are still making like slowly new lows, and this is this is like a toxic situation. I don't really like this. It feels like how should I say, betrayal, that the charts are cheating on me. So that looks a bit dangerous, this kind of move. Like they are they are going down, but giving you this divergence. So there are several reasons why I don't like to go long from here, although everything is present for a reversal. I prefer to wait for this kind of areas. Like, two things has to happen: or we get some move up and we start to see like a pattern that really could indicate that this structure here is over. And then, yeah, what do we need? Like, we need an impulse up, 5 waves. We need then 2 waves down, like that. That this could be the beginning of an upward cycle. This is something that I would like to see. Of course, we have to make an upward cycle here in the 1 hour, but more importantly, also an upward cycle in the 4 hour. And for now, we do not even have divergence in the 4 hour. Like, we do not really need. Yeah, we do need. Yeah, I would prefer to see divergence here in the 4 hour. Also in the daily, then what needs to happen? We also need to, like, then here the break of this. I'm sorry, I want to keep this one, but I will clone it. Like, this is also something that needs to happen to give us some certainty that this corrective move is over. Like, we need to break this cycle here. So this here is a downward cycle, WXY, and this actually has a very nice pattern here in RSI. And yeah, we need to break like this cycle to have some kind of confirmation that we that we are going up again. So yeah, let's say the only argument in favor of moving up here is that If you believe that it is a wave 4, then we touched the 0.618 FIP level. So that's the maximum retracement, let's say, for a wave 4. So we should go up from here. And also on the 1 hour, you could say we have 5 waves down. And we reached here the extreme area of the wave C, so the 1.618 FIP extension. But yeah, like, I mean, okay, we have 5 waves, but this wave C can also be extended. So kind of difficult situation for yeah, for an entry, for a long entry. Like, yeah, if you would be short, I would already taken my profit, because everything is here for a reversal. We can start to go up, but an entry for a short might still be risky here at this point, although there is potential that we start to go up. However, I think it is more safe to wait for a long entry till we get something here, some kind of structure that can give us confirmation that some low was in here, and then we look here at structure in price data, but also structure in RSI, like I just explained you, or we wait for this area. In this area, I would be more confident here to start initiating long entries. So okay, let's see what we get on the higher time frame. The crucial question is now: will we get a 4, or will it be a wave 2? So yeah, I'm looking forward to what the market gives us today and the next days. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.